Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can assign multiple team members and assignees to your work items and issues on Jira at the same time. So let us dive right into it, guys. So head over to your project on Jira. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And let me also select the board view to have a better overview of all of ongoing issues and work items inside that project. So let me go, for instance, with that task here inside that to-do list. So if I left click into it, guys, for example, into that card here in that to-do list to access its customization, you will see here these details to the right. And here next to assignee, you're given the opportunity to assign a team member from your team to that task or issue by left clicking into that field. And if you do that, guys, you'll be given the opportunity to assign someone from that list. However, guys, you can only assign one assignee or team member at a time. So if I, for example, switch to, I don't know, unassign, for example, it will switch to the other user. And if I switch back to this user here, it will switch to this one. So there's only one assignee possible at a time. So to bypass this obstacle, guys, you will need to create a subtask for the given task, for instance, or work item, and assign the second and then the third and the fourth and so on and so forth assignee to these subtasks. You can create subtasks easily, guys, by clicking into that plus button below your task name here or title, and by clicking into this option here, create work item. You may also use that shortcut here. That is going to create a subtask. As you can see, it's already predefined here, subtask. So let me name that subtask 1, for instance. Confirm by clicking into create here. And that is going to create the work item, as you can see. And now you can click into assignee here and select another user from that list. Let me go with this one here, for example, unassigned. And that's basically it. Simply repeat the same task, guys. You may, of course, customize your subtask and assign, for example, or describe it here, attach files. Basically do the same you would do with your task. You may also simply copy the entire task description and everything, details, and copy them to your subtask. And if you'd like to add or assign more team members, guys, simply repeat the same process. Click into plus here, select this option, and select subtask number 2. Just like that, click into create, and assign another team member by clicking into this field or cell here below assignee. And that's basically it. You may also click into the subtask or into its key here, to the left, and here to the right under details. Again, simply choose one of your team members you haven't assigned yet to that, or assign it to that subtask here. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.